check-in. The check-in was smooth. Yeah, so now I'm heading to the lounge. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the lounge. It's called Dream Lounge for Rwanda. Yeah, so I'm going to get the breakfast first. Yeah, so let's see what is on the breakfast, on the buffet. Cocktail juice, apple juice, I don't know which cocktail. And the plate, fried potatoes, mixed veggies, the KaZa, oh my favorite, and mini pizza and scrambled eggs here. The juice first. So I'm already in the laundry, so I didn't say hi. Hi everyone. Welcome and welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing amazing. And yeah, so it's been a minute guys. So today my last trip was in June, so it's been a while. So now I'm heading to the next country. Yeah, so going somewhere. Please stay tuned, watch the video. So guys, I'm already in the plane. We have already boarded, so we are heading somewhere. Stay tuned. And yeah, so this law is for me only. Yes, so the flight is not long, it's just only 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours and 25 so minutes. It's nearby Rwanda. So stay tuned until I reach my final destination. Yeah.
Twerekeje Johannesburg duciye Lusaka, urugendo rwatwerekeza Lusaka rutwara hafi amasaha 2 n'iminota. Cabin crew, give positions.
To inflate, pull the red inflation devices. Only when jump jacket fails to inflate, blow on the manual inflation.
Yeah, so here is my breakfast. It is like a breakfast or something like snacks. The bread and the chicken with the cheese on the top. And here this is the cake. And here this is my white wine. Yeah, looks yummy. Yeah, so now it's time to dig in. So here there is a fork. So sorry, I don't have tripod, so I just put my power bar. Yeah. Yeah. Let's dig in. guys, we have landed in Lusaka International Airport. My bag. So yeah, guys, I'm done with immigration, but took time. Yeah, so to get the KaZa visa, which will allow me to visit Zambia and Zimbabwe. Yeah, so this is my luggage. Thank you, Rwanda. So Rwanda is the best. It reached here before the time they put on the ticket. So Rwanda is always the best, 10 plus. Yeah, so let me go. Yeah, so warm welcome from Radisson Bro, guys. Yeah, so
Henry.
Oh, Henry is the one I'm going with.
There is Patrick here.
Okay, nice to meet you. You've been waiting for me for so long.
Yes.
So the driver is going to come to bring the car here because I want to take the pictures with the airport name and all. Oh my God, I love the place. I love the place. From the airport, it looks so beautiful and clean and very green. Wow. Oh my God, the airport is also huge. This is their parking area.
So we are going to take 30 minutes, Madam Jocelyn, going to the hotel depending on the traffic situation. Right now there is less traffic. We may take about 25 minutes.
Wow.
Yes.
That's very quick one. I love the airport area, like the surrounding. It's so green. When I was in the plane, I was like, oh, maybe that's the park because the way it looks very beautiful.
We have got so much land.
Oh my God, I'm seeing that.
That's our motto, one Zambia, one nation.
Wow. Very beautiful. One Zambia, one nation. So you don't have two Zambia.
No.
So they told us it's 25 degrees, which
Correct.
is really, 25 degrees. So you drive on the left side.
We drive on the left-hand side.
Wow. Guys, they have the Wi-Fi in the car. So this is the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to connect, then I post the content on my Instagram. Yeah, so this is their service. Yeah. Oh my God, I can't wait to explore this beautiful country.
These vans.
Oh, you use the vans. I have never seen a motorbike.
So those are our presidents that they wrote there.
Wow.
The current one is the one in the big
In
picture.
the big picture.
That's HH.
Oh.
And Mozambique.
Malawi and Mozambique.
That's a road.
How far is from here?
It's about 4 hours drive.
4 hours. Wow.
And no, Malawi it's about 5 hours drive.
It's
Going to the
nearby.
border. Yes.
It's very, very close.
When you are driving to the border. So we.
I think Zambia is among the country with the many neighboring countries.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow, this is beautiful.
The big chicken. At the traffic circle, where it points is where you get those quality chicken. The company has been in existence since 1954.
Wow.
This hybrid area.
Yes, Pepsi, Mirinda.
Sections. Different hospitals.
This is like the biggest hospital.
The second biggest hospital.
Is it like for government or is just
The
the
government one.
Okay. Wow.
Then these are taxis, the
Munari.
So they wanted to put a flyover bridge like that side, but the people refused. So they just let that chicken be. So on the right hand side there is a school. So the hotel is on the.
Oh yeah, I'm seeing Radisson.
That's complimentary, don't pay for those.
Yeah.
You have also in the bathroom here, if you want to take hot water, you have to turn that handle to the left.
Yeah.
You wait more than.
Yeah, so I arrived at the hotel, check-in done. This is my room. This is how it looks like. Oh my God, it's so spacious. So this is the bed here, and there is the couch on this side here. There is the fruits and the snacks here, apple, lemon, and cookies, grapes. I like the grapes. And this wall art, it's like the plates, something like that. And this couch here, and the entrance here, and the TV area on this side, and the mirror here is giving vibe. Like I can even play football in this bedroom. It's pretty large. And here, this is the bar area. So the glasses, the cups, the tea, coffee, water, and the mini fridge down here, and this study area, and the dustbin on that side. Yeah, and on this side, this is the suitcase place and the wardrobe. Yeah, the safe box here, I like that. Yeah, so where to keep my things. And yeah, so more space for hanging my outfit, my suitcase here, my friend's suitcase here. Yeah, and here there is full body mirror. Yeah, so I'm still wearing like how I came. Yeah, and on this side we do have this large window. Oh, and the views are so amazing. The green around the hotel, just 5+. And on this side, this is the bathroom area. So we do have 2 options for the shower here and for the bathtub here. Yeah, so this bathtub here, the towels here, more towels here, and there's a shampoo, body wash, lotion, condition, and all that. The tissue here, oh, more tissues. And this is the sink area, so with the mirror here, so the selfies. And yeah, so basically this is where I'm going to stay for the next 3 nights, next 4 days. It's like 4 days and 3 nights. Yeah, so I cannot wait. So let me take shower, then I go to take lunch because I'm hungry. So I'm going to take later lunch, then I will update you what is the next. Yeah.
It's a traditional ceremony for the Kalubales.
Is it like a tribe?
Kalubale is a tribe in
Okay.
northwest part of Zambia.
Wow.
So
So yeah, guys, this is our dinner, my first dinner in Lusaka, Zambia. So we have starter, which is the mushroom soup, which is my favorite one. Yeah, let me give it a try. A plus. The main dish, so rice, chicken, butter, and potato curry. Yeah.